YouTube? It's your boy Edwin coming at y'all with a new vid. Like y'all already know, doing the 5 a.m. for the 30 days to really see if, I don't know, generally, a lot of people would say that the 30 day is not something that, not 30 day, but waking up at 5 a.m. to do something they really want. It's not really as important nowadays, but I really feel like that's otherwise. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but yeah, it's currently, I think, like 5:18, somewhere around there. As you can see, well, obviously, because I late, but as y'all can see, the top is dark for me. So yeah, I'm about to go. I already washed my face, brushed my teeth. I might do my bed first and then just go do my breakfast. But nah, yeah, just showing y'all real quick for me. The grind don't stop. Wake up every day for 30 days, for 28 more days already. 2 day, second day. What's going on? Yeah, I'm back. Just finished cooking. Well, not even cooking for real, but I only got me some 2 eggs with avocado just for the breakfast for me. Nothing crazy, nothing too heavy. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all holding XRP, today's the, if I'm not mistaken, today's the 10th, November 10th. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all holding XRP, I ain't gonna lie. That shit going out crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Made like mad money overnight, yo. I'm not even gonna lie. Made like at least, I'm gonna say like a go almost $20, yo. I'm not even gonna front. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna just eat my food. After we eat my food, well, after I eat my food, I'm gonna just get on the charts, just look a little bit, just kind of look at my rules, do my affirmations, read my goals, and then just get started and just start scalping, start looking how market's moving, what it could potentially do later when market opens. And yeah, yo. Going on, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I end up forgetting to turn on the camera when I finished eating, but it was like 7:15. It's been like a while now, But I just been looking at market, just been seeing where price wants to go, where price been moving this morning. And I ain't gonna lie, I damn near saw some good plays, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it could have been some plays I could have get on to, but I ain't gonna lie. Like, volume was fake good. I could have generally hopped on, but nah, I ain't gonna lie. Can't break my rules. I generally only like trading New York Open. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm gonna show y'all real quick. As I can see, I ain't gonna lie. Market been fake moving a little high. Hasn't really been moving that bad. London pretty much brought it up. Until then, I ain't gonna lie, everything's pretty good for right now, but hey, could see where price want to move. But for right now, I don't know. I'm feeling for like later, for New Year's session, it might dump. Like, I feel like it might, but at the same time, if y'all know, Trump was talking about those stimulus checks, so it could move price up crazy how it did yesterday with that gap that it opened on Sunday. But we just gonna wait. Could have cashed me like 2-3 plays already. I'm not even gonna lie, cause as soon as I finished eating, I just did I just cleaned my room and then just got onto market and it just been looking at it, and I ain't gonna lie, I could have gotten some good plays by now. Like at first, when I first got in here, it was on the London session. Let me see, matter of fact, if I could see. I don't know if I can no more, cause let me see if I find it. Where was it? This is where I came in, like where I opened it. Like it was around probably like this price point around here. I was just waiting. I I thought it was gonna, don't get me wrong. I still feel like, cause as y'all can see, well, prices on 1 hour, it's still in a 1 hour fair value gap. So I feel like that's kind of what just been holding market off for a little bit. You could see right here, it wasn't really having a lot of thing. Boom, right here. Now that it's coming in, it's lowering down. I feel like once we break that and once we go in the direction, I don't know. I generally feel like we're about to dump, but market could do whatever. But back to what I was saying though. I saw the little turtle swoop right there. I'm pretty sure I used this fair value gap right here. I scaled down to the lower time frame, and oh yeah, right here. Matter of fact, this one right here, scaled down to the lower time frame. This was right in the box. It went right up. My original take profit was right here. Well, obviously I ain't take it. I was just seeing, determining, but take profit right there. I generally thought we was gonna break this, but this was a fair value gap right there, and it ended up reversing. So that's what led to this move right here. Oh no, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I end up forgetting to record while I was in the trade, but we up right now 241. I ain't gonna lie. I might just call it a day. I end up taking 2 trades. I ain't put that much, I ain't put that much bid since I am on the micros, so I put 5, but it wasn't as bad. But I'm about to show you how to trade. I ended up taking 2 right when, I don't know if I think I said Michael was going down. It ended up, it was dumping the whole entire time in pre-market. But as soon as market opened, shit went straight up, I ain't gonna lie, it's dumping like a motherfucker right now. Yeah, I was dead thinking about, well, obviously I wasn't actually gonna do it, but I was thinking I could, price point could dead, reach around right here. I mean, it still could. Who knows, maybe. But I ain't gonna lie, this was a trade. Market opened right there, this wick right here, big ass wick. Peep. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of felt like it though. If you look close, I'm trying to do this with one hand, yeah. If you look closely, this was London, icon. That's what I was saying. I was kind of going through and just looking. I was I ain't gonna lie, it could just hit London and just go crazy. But I felt like this was a whole consolidation area, yeah. Even though it was going it did this little big move, but I feel like it was consolidation, yeah. The whole entire, y'all could peep as well here. Oh shit. Y'all could peep as well here. This was, I'm pretty sure this was Asia right here. And this was pre-market for Asia. Same thing, consolidation. Woke up, basically, just consolidation, just bigger, bigger moves, I guess. As soon as that shit, as soon as market opened, I was saying right there was I waited for this to hit that, come back up here, and that's where I got in. And that's where originally I saw the play, I already broke London. Going on, yeah. I end up not catching the last trade I took on camera, but for the first day on camera, just showing y'all, we did pretty good. We went 4 for 4 for the day. Obviously, I wouldn't intentionally take 4 trades every day. I just saw my setup, so I ended up taking them. But I definitely these past little couple, I'm gonna say 10 to 15 minutes, I've just been seeing how the trade's been. seeing what I could have done better, and I've probably seen like a little couple better entries I could have taken to probably like maybe even gained more profit. But I'm not really that much like I did bad today or nothing. I waited for market open. Did pretty good on market open. It started reversing. I didn't take it off right the reversal. I waited until it starts doing like little inverses, and then that's where I kind of catch like my second trade, which I'm gonna show right now. Like around right here, like I was already kind of like going for market like during the sessions. I was just putting in like the journal for the spreadsheet, but I end up coming back like around this price point, and I end up seeing this little turtle swoop, and I didn't get in, so I just waited it out. Ended up coming over here, marked this low right here, so it kind of set a line good to like kind of like break or change the delivery. And then it ended up doing another turtle swoop there, and once it came down to over here, like I know I had it over here, but I'm pretty sure I entered a little late, so I probably got like down here somewhere around there. But once it broke this one, it really just took profit. But obviously I could have took it down here to like really obviously lock in on my things, because I did it just off basically two confidence, just a turtle swoop and basically breaking this. Well, so this is originally the third one, and I know what y'all probably thinking, like, what the hell is this, yo? I ain't gonna lie, I could definitely say in this one, I probably have more luck than fucking actually taking it correctly. But honestly, what I did here is, I ain't gonna lie, I fake risked it a little bit. Like, I just saw that price was moving down. I honestly thought, like, my take profit was originally, like, way, like, I think it was probably, like, right here then, somewhere around here. I'm pretty sure either this was London break, London low, or this one right here, but it was one of those two. It was going towards London, and basically, I just saw it, like, I literally just saw it, how market was moving right when I saw this one. I was like, I got in. Market was moving kind of choppy. I was like, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of crazy a little bit. But I ended up just putting it right there, and it ended up just getting filled like after a couple minutes. So it wasn't really as bad as a trade, but I could have probably definitely, for example, this fair value gap right here where it meets it, I definitely could have, like, in a sense, probably could have gained way more profit, but it's cool. It's not really something as bad. I'll definitely journal that to be aware of tomorrow, so I'm not slacking on that. But yeah, that's really all. Like, even though I took 4 trades, I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, on this one right here, I know I could have took way more profit there, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm good, man. Pretty sure on this one, or was it this one? Nah, it was this one. I'm pretty sure I either hit one of these two. I took a TP, like TP1 and TP2. But yeah, as I said, I took a sell-off on that one, so I took one TP, and then I just waited for my take profit, the other take profit, to originally get hit. And that's what kind of made the thing 2 trades, so that's why it's only 3 trades, but I originally already hit my lockout, and that's what I'm kind of saying. Did good for today, did amazing, got almost 400 back, sturdy, bro. Could do this consistently. We gonna be profitable in no time. But obviously, like I said, we're not really thinking about the money. We think about more so the skill of us actually mastering trading. Well, learning, mastering trading. But yeah, I don't know. I might see later on while I edit if I might start, you know, I might put a little bit of edits, but I might start seeing later on if I got anything else for the clip. But honestly, for today, I think we're pretty much good. Woke up early. Second day, basically waking up at 5 a.m. doing my 30 day. And yeah, bro, we gonna see where God could take us with this trip. And not even with this trip, with this journey. And yeah, stay blessed. Don't get greedy. Don't overtrade. Put a lock on your shit. And yeah, let's get it, baby.